Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to connect headphones. In the beginning you can connect your headphones to the typical headphones jack located on the top of the phone, or you can connect them with the USB-C charging port. Currently I've got the headphones with the charging port stick, so let's connect them to this port. And it's done. You can see that headphones are connected by icon right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.